But with St. Patty's Day, it can be. I'd flip it for St. Patty's Day, unless we do like pot of gold kind of stuff.
Right.
But
well, we can come up with a spreadsheet, and we can kind of get a kind of a plan of attack, and that way
for
we can stay on
for the year. Like, like, well, what holidays do you want to hit? What ideas do you have for our special stuff?
If we can machine the outside, right? Like machine the surround and just pop that snake in there with the laser.
I got it set up so I can run a 25,000 RPM engraving spindle. That's how I engrave most of our chips.
We laser a flag on there and then hog out the S gear so it's got that flag pattern on it. See, gold is
That does have a little more orange in it.
Yeah, gold is a very particular, I hate cheesy looking gold. That's a real, like, orangey 24 karat right there.
That's the money. Do you want to do
this
green?
Is coming up quick.
Green on the outside and then gold on the center, I'm assuming. So the Slickster, the HI-TEX Gear, those would be gold, and then the border would be green.
Yeah.
I think it might be better to use that as an inlay. So we could do a chip, and then we could inlay, and then we could do something on the inlay. Yep. That's the Zerk that's the one Zerk that came out the best.
Oh yeah. Yeah, with the cool, it's got the hell layer on it.
So, October 2019, we were trying to find a way to work together again. Yeah. And we're talking about poker chips. And a lot of the knife community groups were starting to give out little talisman, little tokens of appreciation to their customers and stuff. And Mike was like, hey, what if these were metal? And that's whenever you remember the original prototypes.
Yeah, and I had it, and I showed him a picture of it, and he said, let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. So we made some changes. The first prototypes were a little bit different than what they look like now. The valley around the circle is a little bit smaller than the original prototypes. That's how you can tell that the original prototypes are the original prototypes. It's probably 12.
Less than that. There's 8.
8 original prototypes.
Maybe 9.
Yeah.
Whenever Rick's done chips with HI-TEX, he's added embellishments to it. We're finally at the place where we're collaborating together, and it's done by us.
Right.
While some of these will be customized by Rick, the majority of them are going to be finished in-house by Mike from start to finish.
Yeah.
And to top all that off, we really wanted to wrap this up in a pretty little box. Speaking of boxes, we're here at our print shop that we use for our packaging. Everything is done here in-house. It's done the old way. You can hear the machines going in the background, and most of them aren't even running.
Yeah.
This place gets really noisy and really loud whenever it's in full production, but they're foil pressing, they're stamping, they're embossing, they're doing everything in-house here, including making the foam, doing the foam for us.
Yeah.
So we're really excited for this collaboration to work together with Rick and for what we're going to be able to bring to the market. So one of the things we love to do is go to the shows, as many shows as we can, and really see our customers, because man, the personal interaction and handing somebody something really means a lot. So whenever we go to shows, we try and bring the best of the best that we make. And as long as we do that, we're going to make our customers happy. That's why we had the Texas Lone Star Invitational here this weekend. And y'all saw a little bit of the crowd and the people that were rushing, trying to get these items, because we try and make this a community aspect. That in-person interaction, that in-person memories, that's really what it's about. And also just, man, the crazy artwork, the crazy cool collaborations with Rick, that stuff is the cherry on top.
Right.
Everything we do is made in Hawaii, except for the boxes are made in Texas, and we plan on keeping it that way.
That's right.